Hey, this is Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies. I'm down in the darkest dungeon of the basement store warehouse, and I'm looking for some special toy train, and I think I found it. So let's see, where am I looking? Okay, there's no light over here, so I got a flashlight. These are trains that I've saved forever. And what I was looking for was the Norfolk and Western that I had a replacement uh, parts made from Bowser, and this is it. This is the Norfolk and Western. As you can see, it's got Bowser trucks and a Bowser frame, and it's a 484. And I was thinking of cannibalizing it to put this on the S2, but you know what? I can't do it. It's so pretty. Look at it. That's not right. I was thinking, oh, it didn't look good. It's not a good looking thing. It looks great. And that's a Bowser replacement. Try to find that. That's right. Bowser made replacements so you could get rid of the, less than perfect Bachmann part that came with it. But no, I'm just going to take it out and run it. I'm not going to replace it. I've got to build and keep going. But I don't believe in cannibalizing a perfectly good model. That's just one of my prime directives. Do not destroy. So I'm just sharing it with you. Hope you enjoy the view. Thanks again, in the dark recesses of the basement. Over and out from Bobby's Hobby. That's a pretty model, man. Should have bought more of them back in the 90s when I could have. At least I got that one. Hey, bye for now.